biomass steam hot water boiler is energy-saving and compact structure. The pressure raises up quickly. DZH series biomass hot water boiler is single drum horizontal tap shell boiler. The combustion equipment is chain grid. Has the advantages of feed mechanically and strong adaptability of different fuels. The fuel could be wood chips, rice hull, bagasse, straw, peanut shell, mustard stalk, cotton stalk, coconut shell, and waste cloth, etc.